The infinite vastness of space alone is enough to send chills down one's spine. Add in the fact that this never-ending vacuum is not silent, and you have a real thriller on your hands. There have been some very strange sounds recorded in space that further add to the mysteries of space. Some of them seem to be almost alien. First discovered during the Great War, this set of sounds may seem like whistles, birds chirping, or even sirens at times. According to NASA, these may be a result of lightning discharges in an atmosphere causing waves or signals. These signals can travel back and forth alongside the magnetic field lines, which makes the whistling sound.
March 26, 1996, hour 7, minute 59, Whistlers.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver audio data.
May 10th, 1996, hour 0, minute 16, Whistlers.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver audio data.
June 12th, 1996, hour 13, minute 58, Whistlers.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver audio data.
Saucer-shaped objects have fueled conspiracy theories and scientific debates. But what if we told you that we now have audio recordings to go along with them? Strange, metallic hums, eerie, pulsing signal-like sounds that seem too structured to be random, but too alien to be man-made. Some claim they're secret military experiments, others believe they're cosmic phenomena. Another terrifying theory is that these sounds may be transmissions, signals from something or someone from the dark abyss of space. Are we truly alone? Or is something out there trying to make contact? It remains a mystery.
March 27th, 1996, hour 20, minute 5, Saucer.
In space, chorus refers to high-pitched radio waves caused by charged particles in planetary magnetospheres. These ghostly whistles and chirps sound like a cosmic symphony echoing through the void. But what makes them so unsettling is how eerily similar they are to distant, distorted voices or the cries of something unknown. Astronauts and scientists have described these sounds as haunting, as if the universe itself is whispering secrets. Are these signals just a natural phenomenon, or could they be something far more mysterious?
May 31st, 1996, hour 6, minute 47, Chorus.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver audio data.
A hiss in space is a strange, static-like sound caused by electromagnetic waves interacting with charged particles. This noise, recorded near planets like Earth and Jupiter, resembles a cosmic whisper in the void. But it's not just white noise. It has an almost intelligent rhythmic quality, as if something is lurking in the darkness trying to be heard. Some scientists describe it as the faint breathing of the universe itself. No one is sure as to whether this is a mere atmospheric phenomenon or something far more unsettling within the endless expanses of space,
May 28th, 1996, hour 21, minute 48, hiss.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver, audio data.
Auroral kilometric radiation, AKR, is a powerful radio emission generated by Earth's auroras. These intense bursts, recorded by satellites, create high-frequency sounds resembling distant, crackling whispers from space.
May 10th, 1996, hour 16, minute 38, AKR.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver, audio data.
In space physics, the cusp is a region where Earth's magnetic field lines open, allowing solar wind to funnel in. This creates strange, low-frequency waves, producing whistling sounds in the magnetosphere.
May 29th, 1996, hour 2, minute 56, magnetosphere cusp.
The University of Iowa's Polar Plasma Wave Instrument. Wideband receiver, audio data.
Recorded by the Rosetta spacecraft in 2014, this eerie sound comes from Comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko. The warbling series of clicks and growls make it sound almost alive, as if the comet is singing in space. The comet is surrounded by charged particles from the sun's energy. This is the sound it creates due to the disruption in those particles. Recorded by NASA's Juno spacecraft in 2017, this sound captures plasma waves in Jupiter's ionosphere. The strange, fluctuating tones create an electronic hum, making it one of the strangest sounds in space. It is like turning on an old radio only to stumble upon a signal that shouldn't be there, a deep rumble shifting unpredictably. Some say it sounds like the heartbeat of a giant planet. Others compare it to an alien engine idling in the distance. Whatever it is, it's both mesmerizing and a bit scary too. Space is full of mysterious sounds, each telling its own cosmic story. Which one intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more space wonders.